G'day, Darren here, and I just want to run through a process that we've developed into the CRM system now for a lot of firms who are recognizing that there's a lot of time being consumed chasing up clients to reconcile their Xero files so that they can get on and do their BAS. So what we've done is we've developed a number of automations, one for monthly, one for quarterly, and then a constant reminder follow-up, and then also a notification back to the client manager that lets them know when the Xero file has been reconciled. So this is pretty much how it looks. I'm just going to show the quarterly now. I'm going to use the Australian version of this because most of our members are in Australia at the moment, and it's an area that is already pre-set up and ready to go and being used here. Now, obviously, this is great if you're not using Carbon or you're not using FYI Docs and you're not using those other sort of more advanced tools to manage document management and communicate with your clients. This is a great way of actually using a CRM, not just to engage clients and keep them informed, but just a great way to automate your processes and automate your follow-up so that the clients are being reminded of what to do without you having to manually do everything. So if we have a look at it here, the first one here is BAS quarterly reminder, and we've got two versions. One's a designed version, one's a plain text version, and you can choose whichever way you go, whichever way you want to go. So if we turn around and look at the quarterly one, this is what happens. Obviously, July, October, January, April to time with the quarterly. So when the time comes around, so the next one will obviously be January. People will wait in there. They'll receive the email, which looks like this. This is just a design. This is just one design. The colours can obviously be changed to suit the clients, suit yourself, suit your brand, unless you want plain text. And you'll see there's a little button that says, yes, I've completed this. If they click on that button, then they go through to a page that just says, yeah, hey, look, thanks very much. That's awesome. And just a little bit of fun. Thanks for reconciling your Xero file, etc., etc., etc. So, and what happens when they also click that button is it actually sends them into another automation here, notify the client manager. So we can personalize each of these emails so that if you've got 3 or 4 team members and they've all got their own list of clients that they look after, the email that automatically goes out will automatically populate with that client coordinator or client manager or whatever you want to call it. And so that person will be notified to say, hey, yep, that person's clicked the button, they've said they've reconciled their Xero file, you can head on in there and go and start doing their work. So going back to this again, this is the one sequence that goes out, but you'll see here after it goes out, so we look at October recently, there are people now that will go into the reconcile file automation, which is this one here. It's a constant reminder. And so what that looks like is they will end up in a repeatable sequence. So 2 days, 3 days, 3 days. After that, it loops back, and then every 3 days we'll keep sending it until they've actually done it. And if you haven't received it, then essentially you need to follow up and get onto them and say, hey, what's going on? So again, same thing again, a reminder in the automation. And this time we've got 2 buttons. So yes, I've completed it, takes them through. But if it says, no, I haven't, but I will soon, then they click on that and they go through to this page and go, okay, thanks for letting us know. And the team's ready when you have. For when you have, actioning these things helps us to help you. And a little meme, yeah, if you could just go ahead and do that, that'd be great. So what we're trying to do is add a little bit of personality and forgive the design. It's a basic design. This is in our sandbox account, which is the generic design for everyone. So what we're trying to do here is automate our process with our clients, automate the follow-up, but also try and make it a bit of fun. And you can put whatever memes you want in there, depending on your brand and who you are and your relationship with your clients. You could make these quite funny and quite entertaining. If they haven't done it for a while, you could actually put a different landing page in there by the 4th reminder that's actually a bit more stern, that gets a little bit more serious and says, oi, do it now or else, along those sorts of lines as a bit of fun. So that's what happens there. So like I say, we've got these reminders that go out every 3 to 4 days, 2 to 3 days. And obviously they've got the button, yes, I've completed it. No, I haven't, but I will soon. And as I said before, it goes personalized to them, but also from the client manager that happens to be logged against that particular client. So everyone is informed, everyone is updated. It can be plain text, it can be designed, it can be done whichever way you like, and your landing pages can be done whichever way you like. And again, like I said, inside the CRM system, we've got lead magnets, client self-assessments, and now we've got BAS-related landing pages. So, you can just duplicate these or go in there and edit the design yourself, change the colors, do whatever you want to it. So that's it from me. That's just another new automation tool that we've got going out there that is working very, very well. Our clients love it to bits. As you can see, we can do it monthly as well. Then I've got plain text and designed. At the moment, I've just got a tag that helps me to find the ones that I really want. I'll just click on that tag and just bring up those 3 clients. So 4 emails go out in this one: July, October, January, April. And these is constant reminders to once that initial email's gone out. So like I said, when they've actually clicked on that button, it doesn't just notify the client manager, it actually removes them from this automation automatically as well, and removes any tags. And so that means they go back to scratch again until the next time they come through the quarterly reminder. So it all just reboots. So there you go. Any questions, come back to me. Talk soon. Bye.